Hi everyone, I'm Hagen with MyCraftSource, and today I'll be doing something a little bit different. Today, I'm gonna be walking you through get this out of my way, the StarCraft 15x15 8-in-1 swing away heat press in all its glory, in turquoise. Fine, get this out from underneath here. So, start this off, I figured I'd give you just a little general overview of what's gonna happen. First, I'm gonna run through everything that comes in the box whenever you get it. After that, I'm gonna show you some simple assembly and disassembly procedures, easy stuff. Then, we're gonna plug it in, and I'm gonna show you what all these buttons right here and this pretty little LCD does. Okay, so, let me just scoot this. Okay, so in the box, it comes with the heat press itself, which I'll let you know it's kind of heavy. It's a little heavy. It's a solid 80 pounds. And it also comes with the flat press itself and a flat platen. Also, it comes with a replaceable pressing pad in black. After that, you can come over here, drag this into frame. It comes with the mug press base attachment, as well as an 11-ounce mug press, a 9-ounce mug press. Also comes with a 12-ounce conical cone mug press and a 17-ounce conical mug press. Right here, beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, got all that right there. Scoot this up some to get it out the way. With that, it also comes with a hat press base plate attachment and the hat press attachment that you actually attach right here to press your hats. You see this beautiful hat right here? Shameless plug. We got our hats in, so I made myself one using this. Yeah, these two go together so you can press your hats, and it comes with two plate presses, one in a 5-inch maximum diameter and one in a 6-inch maximum diameter. So now that we've got all that out the way, I'm gonna put it up and get it mainly more out of the way. That way we ain't gotta deal with it. And I mean, it's gonna get dealt with, you'll see, it's fine. Okay, some specifications real quick. The operating voltage of this heat press is 120 volts, the 21 by 24 by 21. And like I said before, it's a little hefty. It comes in at 80 pounds. You watch me put it up here, it's got some heft to it. It does also have an auto off safety feature, but you always want to make sure you turn off your heat press anyways, because it's not there to do it for you. It's a safety thing. If you forget, fine, but try. Remember, unplug it. Not unplug it, turn it off. Okay. So now we can go ahead and do some takey-a-party stuff. I'm gonna bring you right here so I can show you some basic assembly and disassembly things. So right here and right here, actually two little unscrewable areas. You can unscrew them a little bit. Don't gotta go all the way. Gotta undo this first. So you're gonna unscrew this part right here, unplug it, and then you can pull this off. The whole top comes off. That's where you would put the hat press attachment. Just stick it right up underneath here. And then this spot right here, it actually just slides off. So I can go ahead and show you how that's done. Go ahead and just slide it out the way, pick it up, and walk it right here. So now I can show you how the other attachments are put on. Now we have our hat press. So you're gonna take your hat press attachment, slide it down on there, and just same way as the big one, slide it on there. And you can take this part right here, slide it up on there, and twist it tight. At this point, you may notice that this plug right here is quite a bit smaller than this one. So you're gonna take your plug right here and actually plug it into the leftmost side. There is a little groove that you gotta match up. You match that up, stick it in there, and screw it on home. And now you have a functioning hat press. Okay, so just because I don't wanna have to deal with that again, I'm gonna take it apart. I'm just putting this all back together the way I had it primarily. Watch this. This is gonna be cool. You're gonna take your flat platen. Yes, this thing is called a platen. Set this back on here, lock it into place. Additionally, we have our plate presses, and they're installed the exact same way. All you gotta do, swing your plate press up in here, slide it into place, lock it in, and then plug it in. And then you would put your plates right here and just press them home. The 6-inch plate should be just the same. So if your press does not reach all the way to the bottom, all you need to do is make your pressure as high as it can go, and it should reach to the ground. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just take that back off. And to make it easy, we're gonna slide that out the way and take our mug press right here, turn on here this way, and then you're gonna plug this in the same spot that the hat press plugs in. Make sure you find your groove, stick it on up in there. You can screw that home, and now we have our functioning mug press. Look at that. Now that we've done that part, I'm actually gonna just unscrew this, unplug it as well, and now I can show you something a little bit different. If you want to change out to different sizes for your mug press, I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Take your black pieces and you unscrew them right here. Pull that off. Then you can take your other mug press Bring this up here, put these back in. We're doing great. And there you have it. You have not replaced necessarily, you have put on your smaller mug press. Same thing goes for the conical ones. We're all good. Also, this little knob right here is oddly enough how you change the pressure in case you have a slightly bigger mug press than these, or smaller. Yeah, you feel it out. Feeling it out always works. But yeah, now that we've done that, I'm going to set it to the side and put everything back on the way I had it. Go ahead and get this out the way. That way I gotta do it later. You screw these back on. Okay, now I can spin this boy back around and plug her in. Okay, so here, you can turn this on by accessing the big red switch by the side. This is actually the circuit breaker. You press that to reset everything. On the first screen, it just shows you where your temperature is set to, as well as the temperature it is currently at. Temperature it's currently at, temperature it's set to. You can click set once to change the temperature, set one more time. That's how you change the time that you would like for it to beep at whenever you press it down. So you press set one more time. This is where it tells you if it's Fahrenheit or Celsius. Press set one more time, and this is where you change the time that it takes for it to automatically shut itself off. I think it's defaulted at 60 minutes. We have ours set to 36, and that is the crash course on our little LCD screen here. One more thing, the timer that you have it set to will not actually work with any of the other attachments. You have to either count in your head or have a timer to your side, something like that. The timer only works for the big heat press. Last but not least, we have our pressure knob. You twist this to the left loosey, right sidey. Righty actually does make it harder to pull down, adds more pressure. Lefty loosey makes it easier to pull down, less pressure. So right here, oh God, a lot of pressure. So whenever you are pressing your heat press down, this little area right here needs to lock out right there. Timer will count down, and then it'll go beep, 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 and scream at you. That's when you let it up, swing it out the way, and grab your stuff. This is available on our website, minecraftsource.com, as well as our new sublimation hat, in case you want to, sublimate yourself some hats. Brand new, we got them in all kinds of colors. This only comes in turquoise. I'll actually have another video on our smaller silver version of this. So yeah, there's that. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and be sure to ring the little bell so you get our notifications. Our most recent video should be down in this corner, and I highly recommend watching it. Thank you.